Welcome, Bonza Brain, education channel for kids. Please subscribe. Let's start. Shapes and colors. Circle. Circle goes round. A round circle. A round circle. Orange circle. Grey circle. It goes around. See the cars? They're going around the circle. Orange circle. Grey circle. What's that? Steering wheel. What's that? Ball. A big circle. A big yellow circle. Little blue circles. Dropping. Wheel with balls. The balls are round circle shape. Hello, hamster. Running in the circle. Hamster. Square. 4 straight sides. 4 straight sides. Green square, red square. Black and white checked square. 3 colours. Yellow, pink, sky blue. Rubik's cube. 3 squares. Blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 small blue squares. 1 big blue square. Wall clock. Cracker. Yummy. We eat crackers for a snack. Window. There's the square window. 4 squares inside 1 big square window. Table. A square table. Triangle. 3 straight sides. 3. Try. 3. Coloured triangle. Triangle. 1 triangle, 2 triangles, 3 triangles, 4 triangles, but 5. 1 big triangle. Triangle puzzle. Green, blue, red, yellow. Chips. Triangle. Yummy! Ice cream cone. Triangle shape. Traffic cone. Orange and white. Traffic cone. What's that? What's that? Diamond. Black diamond. Red diamond. Straight sides. Window. Can you see the diamonds in the window? The black diamond border. Door lock. Diamond shape. Diamond. Looks like a Christmas cracker on the tree. Rectangles. Black, yellow, many colours. Rectangle. 4 straight sides. 2 sides longer. 2 sides shorter. Rectangle. Yellow rectangle. Black rectangle. Mobile phone. tissue box, TV, rectangle. 4 straight sides, 2 sides long, 2 sides short. Different colours of rectangles. White, black, pink, green. Star! Dancing, dancing star. Jumping up and down, 5-pointed star. Yellow stars, happy stars, you're a star. Are you dancing? Purple balloon in the shape of a star. Starfish. A crib toy for the baby. Star shape. Oh. Heart. Pumping, jumping, pumping our heart. Red heart jumping. Heart, heart jumping. Balloons. Gift box. Glasses. Looks like a party. Oval, oval. Egg. Round shape but not circle. Oval. Watermelon. Pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Penta. 5. Penta. 5 sides. Spiderweb and a building. Pentagon shape. Soccer ball. Red pentagon. A flower. 5 sides. Okra. 5 sides. Shape. Pentagon. Hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexa. 6. Hexa. 6 sides. Hexagon. 6 sides. Bees. Hexagon. Tiles. Half circle. Half circle. White half circle. 1 half. Yellow half circle. Second half. 2 halves. 2 half. 1 whole. The fuel meter is a half circle. Sunrise, sunset. Half circle. Rhombus. Rhombus. 4 sides, a little bit slanted. Kite. Wall clock. Red circle, purple triangle, green square, pink rectangle, blue star, red half circle, orange pentagon, green hexagon, brown rhombus, purple diamond, pink heart, blue oval. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to Bonza Brain.